You want to earn real and passive income from cryptocurrency? Then this video is just for you. Today we are talking about Googly FX, an advanced crypto platform that gives you multiple earning opportunities all with automation. Googly FX is an innovative cryptocurrency company on a mission to revolutionize digital finance. Our goal is to provide every individual and business with secure and easy blockchain-based financial solutions. Whether you want to invest, trade, or simply understand crypto, Googly FX is here to guide you every step of the way. We are committed to spreading awareness and adoption so that crypto becomes simple and accessible for everyone. Our mission is to build a strong, community-driven digital currency and trading platform that connects every user to the world of crypto in a secure, fast, and transparent way. Our vision is to bring the crypto market, forex trading, and home-based business together into one AI-powered platform, starting with our ICO, Initial Coin Offering. After the ICO, we will move towards a fully decentralized structure and launch our coin into the open market. Post-ICO, our focus will be on long-term financial goals, such as launching DeskPair in 2026, starting our initial token offering in 2027, and building our own blockchain infrastructure by 2028. Alongside, we will introduce a revolutionary AI-powered trading app that will allow seamless trading in crypto, forex, and home markets without any interruptions. Friends, let's talk about GFX Coin tokenomics. Our GFX coin has a total supply of 100 million coins, divided into three parts to ensure balanced growth, promotion, and user benefits. The biggest portion, 40%, is allocated for the ICO, giving early investors and participants the opportunity to join the project early and purchase coins at the best price. Then 35% is reserved for ecosystem development, platform upgrades, technology improvements, security, and integrating new services so that users always get the best trading and investment experience. Finally, 25% is dedicated to promotion and marketing, helping us promote our project globally, bring in new partnerships, and make GFX Coin reach as many people as possible. This is our clear and transparent tokenomics, where each part has a solid purpose to strengthen both your and our financial future. Now, friends, our GFX Coin ICO is divided into several phases to ensure maximum benefits for early investors while gradually increasing the coin's value. In Phase 1, 1 lakh coins were available and are now completely sold out. Phase 2 had 3 lakh coins, also sold out. We are now in Phase 3, offering 9 lakh coins at just $0.1 per coin. In Phase 4, there will be 19 lakh coins priced at $0.25, followed by Phase 5 with 39 lakh coins at $0.5. As we move ahead, the price will rise. Phase 6 will have 79 lakh coins at $1 each, Phase 7 will have 99 lakh coins at $2 each, and finally Phase 8 will have 1 crore 51 lakh coins at $3 each.
This means the earlier you join, the cheaper you can buy, and the greater your chances for multiplied returns. The best part? You can start with as little as $1. We want everyone to be part of this digital revolution, so there's no limit. Whether you start small or go big, it's completely up to your budget and comfort. Our ICO is fully flexible, designed for beginners as well as professionals to participate easily and enjoy early profit opportunities. And here's something important. Whichever phase you buy in, your selling starts from the next phase. For example, if you buy in Phase 3, you can start selling from Phase 4, 10% in Phase 4, 20% in Phase 5, 30% in Phase 6, and 40% in Phase 7. The selling price will be based on the market price of that phase, meaning each phase gives you a chance to sell at a better value and increase your profits. So friends, GFX Coin is not just a token, it's a complete financial opportunity. Join early, grow smart, and make the most of every phase. In the GFX Coin ICO, you not only get the chance for early investment, but also receive special rewards and gifts. Under the ICO First Come achievement, whoever holds the most GFX coins first will receive a special award. The first 100 ICO holders who hold more than 1,000 GFX coins will get a reward of $1,000. The next 400 ICO holders who hold more than 1,000 GFX coins will receive a reward of $250. This scheme is for those who join early, so that they can enjoy the initial benefits of the ICO along with a cash bonus. In addition, there is also an ICO lucky draw, where 3 winners will get a 15-day Asia and Europe tour, with the option to take their entire family, and a luxurious Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This means that by participating in the ICO, you can not only grow your investment, but also experience a luxury lifestyle. The top 100 winners who have earned a direct income of 500 USDT or more in the ICO bid will be awarded an MG Comet EV as a prize. They mean if any participant achieves this target and ranks in the top 100, they will receive this electric car as a gift. This offer not only boosts participation but also motivates participants to put in extra effort. Friends, with just 200 USDTs of your own purchase and 2000 USDTs of direct sales, you can win a 5 nights 4 days luxury Thailand trip, including stay, food, and complete sightseeing, all absolutely free. With 500 USDTs of your own purchase and 5000 USDTs of direct sales, you can win a 5 nights 6 days luxury Dubai trip, including accommodation, meals, and amazing Dubai sightseeing completely free. With 1000 USDTs of your own purchase and 10,000 USDTs of direct sales, you can win a luxurious Russia trip, including luxury stay, beautiful food, and beautiful sightseeing across Russia, all absolutely free.
Googly FX's combo package worth $250 gives you an opportunity for both investment and earnings. This package includes 125 USDT for the ICO and 25 USDT for ROI. On taking this package, you will receive 6% passive income every month for a full 36 months. This means by investing once, you can enjoy stable monthly returns for 3 years, along with the bonus of early participation in the ICO. In this ROI plan, you can earn a fixed daily return based on your investment amount. If your package is between $100 and $1,000, you will get a 0.5% daily return. If your package is between $1,000 and $5,000, you will get a 0.75% daily return. And if your package is $5,001 or above, you will get a 1% daily return. This means the bigger your investment, the higher your daily ROI. The ROI booster is a benefit where if a user purchases ICO equal to the value of their ROI plan, their daily ROI will be doubled. The company offers this feature so that if you buy ICO of the same value as your ROI plan, the daily return you were receiving will be increased by the same amount, effectively doubling your ROI compared to before. In this direct income plan, you earn a 5% commission on every direct referral. This means whenever you directly join someone and they invest, you immediately receive 5% of their investment amount as earnings. In this plan, you also earn from your team network's daily ROI according to different levels. On the first level, you get 10% ROI. On the second level, you get 5%. On the third level, you get 2%. And from the 4th to the 15th level, you get 1% ROI. This means the bigger your team and the more ROI they are earning, the more passive income you will receive every day. Friends, in CPB, Community Performance Bonus, the bigger your daily and 3-day business, the bigger your bonus. For example, on 100 USDT daily, you get 3%. On 500 USDT, you get 6%. And on 1000 USDT, you directly get 10% bonus. Just keep growing your team and business and enjoy big rewards every 3 days. Friends, in GFX Part 2, Forex Trading, you get an amazing opportunity to earn regular income from trading. Here, even without any trading experience, you can easily earn 10% to 20% returns. The biggest advantage is that you don't need market analysis or technical knowledge. Just use the plug and earn system and profits will be generated automatically. Whether you are a beginner or a pro trader, you can increase your income smartly and without spending much time. Whenever your direct referral starts with any amount, you instantly get a one-time 5% instant income on that amount. This means the more direct referrals you make, the faster you will earn instant income. Trading profit sharing is a system where you can earn daily from your team's trading. You get a percentage of the daily ROI from different levels of your team. Level 1, 10%, Level 2, 5%, Level 3, 2%, and from Level 4 to Level 15, you get 1% from each level. This means the more your team trades, the more profit automatically comes into your account without you doing the trading yourself. This plan gives you continuous passive income after you set up your team once. In this rank and rewards plan, as your total income grows, you get bigger rewards. When your total income reaches $1,000, you get a $100 reward. At $2,000, you get $500. At $10,000, you get $1,500. And at $50,000, you get $5,000. If your income reaches $100,000, the reward is $10,000. At $200,000, it's $20,000. And at $500,000, you get $50,000. As you grow further, at $1 million, you get $100,000. At $2 million, you get $500,000. At $5 million, you get $1,500,000. And at the top level, $10 million, you get a massive $5 million reward. This system motivates you to grow your team and business so that you can achieve bigger rewards at every new milestone. Here, through the Autopool system, you can also earn over 1 crore. This is an excellent compensation plan that provides you with the best of everything, whether it's regular income, rewards, or long-term financial growth. In this plan, all you need is hard work and teamwork. The system will automatically take you step by step toward big earnings and an upgraded lifestyle. Thank you for your valuable time. If you want to know more details about this plan, understand the complete earning strategy, and see how you too can generate massive income from here, call us today. Our team will give you complete step-by-step guidance so that you can achieve your financial goals quickly.